Ethereum against US dollar this week has bouncing between these two price levels, between 2,600 and also on the lower side between 2,520. And we can see that the price bouncing back up and down, and on Thursday, the price has formed this bearish breakout to the downside, and what we can see here, the price has confirmed this bearish breakout with the next candle not returning back up but to fall down. We can see just small wick that has returned back up, and then the price has closed this week below this one. What we can see on the weekly time frame is this one. After the price has made a bullish breakout, I was expecting that the price could return back down and confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one. For now, we have 2 more days until this week ends, so we can see this is the candle that is still open, did not close. So anything can happen. And on the monthly time frame, we can see a pretty strong bouncing back and down. We can see a strong candle with a very large wicks going up and down, which means a pretty indecision market where the bulls and the sellers are fighting between each other. But for now, as it looks, we have 2 more weeks, and also we have a bullish candle here. So how this month will close is pretty hard to say on the monthly time frames, so we should go on a weekly and also daily to see much more clear information and go step by step until the month ends. But for now, as it looks, this was expected after the price reached this area here to make a bounce and also a retrace, because this was a very pretty strong resistance level and also supply zone for the price. After the price reached this area here, the bounce is expected to be here in the previous attempt. You can see it here, and this is something that has happened just here this month. And then when the price jumps back and down, we can see a strong wicks on these candles. And also what we can see on the monthly time frame, that strong wicks on the Ethereum against US dollar is a normal thing. So we could also see this one here as a normal thing. So let's see how this week ends. We have 2 more days, and what I have mentioned, after the price has made this bullish breakout to the upside, I'm expecting to be validated with the next candle. And that means that this candle should not close below 2,400. If that happens, this will mean that this bullish breakout has been not validated, and I could expect for the price to reach lower levels. So we have 2 more days until that happens, but if the price confirms this bullish breakout as a valid one, then I would expect, and I will expect for the price to reach again and to attack higher price levels. On the daily time frame, we can see this is a very important level. The price has reached 2,400 and it has bounced back up. But for now, this bearish breakout has been confirmed with this bullish candle not going back up, which means I have a daily bearish breakout that is suggesting for the price to return back down. But on the weekly time frame, I have a bullish breakout that could also be confirmed as a valid one. But there is a potential that this bullish breakout in previous week could not be validated if the price returns below 2,400. So on the daily time frame, we can see we have 2 more days and we'll see what happens. If the price stays above, this will be a great signal on the weekly time frame that this bullish breakout has been confirmed, and I would expect for the price to reach higher price levels. But if it goes below 2,400, that will mean that this bearish breakout has been confirmed, and it is expected for the price to reach lower levels. But this will be also a bearish breakout on the daily time frame. But this will be also a confirmation that the weekly bullish breakout has not been validated, and I'm expecting for the price to reach lower levels. So anything happen on Ethereum in the next 2 days, and it will be very important to see how the candles closes and also how the weekly candle closes. For that, I'm sharing daily analysis inside the trading community, and also I'm sharing when the price makes a breakout and also is it validated or not, and also what is the next target. So if you would like to check that and also be notified on the daily time frame when something happens important on this symbol Ethereum and also on seven other symbols, you can check the trading community. The link will be below the video inside the description, so if you would like to check, feel free, and also see you inside. If not, see you next time on the weekly analysis. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!